Andres Iniesta could not believe the achievement of his team in the last decade. Barcelona dominated La Liga, Europe to the world. This season, Barcelona won the doubles title, La Liga and Copa del Rey. This is a continuation of their success last season when embracing the treble, La Liga, Copa del Rey and Champions League. And in the last decade, Barcelona has won dozens of prestigious trophies, among them, 4 Champions League trophies, 3 Club World Cup trophy, and 7 La Liga trophy. Among what happens in 10-12 years will not be repeated again. Sometimes when I'm at home, I think this is something that is not real, he told Sport, Thursday, June 9, 2016. For me, this is the era of Barcelona best in the world. It is an honor to be part of this team, this moment and with the players for this. There's nothing better than this. Something is priceless. Many cite the achievements of this season. Barcelona lost to Real Madrid. For Barcelona only won 2 domestic trophies. While Real Madrid won the trophy at the European level, the Champions League. The concept, achievement, is not about that. It's a matter of choice. In fact, Barcelona have won 6 La Liga trophy of the last 8 seasons. And no one could collate Barcelona's success, including Real Madrid.